Hello everyone, welcome back. So let us look into new feature that is recently added into Oracle Integration Cloud. So they have added a new role called ServiceEndUser. The ServiceEndUser role is available only for new instances created using version 2.2 or later. So let us look into the roles, the existing 7 roles quickly, and then we can come to this. ServiceAdministrator, ServiceDeveloper, ServiceMonitor, ServiceDeployer, ServiceEndUser, and then ServiceInvoker, ServiceViewer. So we know that Service Administrator means it is administrator privileges. So he can create users, and we can also look into the integrations, and he can manage everything. And ServiceDeveloper. Developer means he can build integrations, he can deploy, he can monitor. This is like a developer role. Monitor, service monitor means this is, by the name we can understand that this is for end users. Okay, who can who is having a more knowledge on monitoring and less knowledge on the integrations. So you can this point here. This role provides privileges for the users with a limited knowledge of Oracle integration, but with a high level knowledge of monitoring it. Okay, this user can view instances and metrics and find out the response times and track whether the instance creation is successfully completed or failed. And service deployer. Deployer means he can deploy the artifacts, but this role is not applicable for the integrations feature. And service user. The service user role has a privilege, like this user can navigate to resource pages and view details, but he cannot edit or modify anything. The difference between the service monitor and the user is, this user can look into the integrations and also connections. But for monitor integrations, they can only see, tracking, but cannot look into these connections and all. And ServiceInvoker. This is mainly for, a user with a ServiceInvoker role can invoke any integration flows in an Oracle integration instance that is exposed to SOAP or REST API. Means we can trigger OIC integrations using this user. We build integrations and expose them as a REST or SOAP services. So using ServiceInvoker role user, we can trigger that integrations. And then ServiceViewer. So a user with a ServiceViewer role can navigate to all integration resource pages, for example, integrations, connections, lookup, libraries, and so on, and view details. The user cannot edit any resources or navigate to the administrative setting pages. So these are the 7 existing roles. So what is the new one? The new one is ServiceEndUser. A user with the ServiceEndUser role has the same privileges as a service user, but can only can access only processes and insight features in the Oracle integration. Processes and insight features in the Oracle integration. So this is the main point. This user does not have access to integrations, B2B, a file server, visual builder, adapters, receipts, or accelerators. So this is only for processes and insight features in Oracle integration. Okay, so this is the update from Oracle, and we should be aware of this one. To face interviews or to work on any integrations, and mainly if you are from administrative, then you should be aware of this one. Thank you guys. We'll meet you with the next update. Good luck.